Guys, today I have a very exciting product from Bytronics 2-in-1 makeup blender as well as oil absorber. Let's have a look. So the problem with the girls is whenever we wear makeup and move out on party or anything, it becomes oily or greasy after 2 to 3 hours. So we can use this oil absorber roller under the eye as well as around the nose. It keeps the skin very smooth and it removes all the oily part. It can be used with makeup or without makeup. So you can see the difference. This is oily and this has absorbed all the oil. Wow guys, this is the perfect product I have ever seen, seriously. And now if we use makeup, so we can use this blender to blend our makeup. This is a very soft blender I have ever used. Seriously, this is amazing.
My heart goes la-dee-da, da-dee-da, la-dee-da, da.